Can you hear?
Hold my breath just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel the break.
Good morning, babes. Loves. What do we say usually? But yeah, it is currently I think 5-ish and we are up and ready to leave. Little backstory: when my sister came here last time, so in 2019, she wanted to see snow so bad, and 3 days after she left there was snow here, and you know, it was like she wasn't very happy about it. Jokingly, obviously, but this time we're like, you know what, we will make sure that she sees it. So we are taking her to the mountains. I'm so excited for her to have, you know, that experience, and especially because she wanted to see that for a long time. It's like, you know, it's gonna be great. So yeah, that's why we're up and getting ready, making some food, and then we'll head out. Actually, we have to have breakfast first and then head out. Can you hear the wind? That's crazy.
Hello, voiceover Parani is back because a lot of you really liked her. I'm making a cute face right now. Anyways, at this point we already had our breakfast, packed everything in the car, took a little picture when I show you, and then set off for our 5-hour-long road trip. I kid you not, like an hour before getting there, it started raining. So we chose a song that really went with the vibe. And then after a while, we started seeing snow on the road. Oh my god, this was so exciting because at some point, I wasn't sure if there'll be any snow that day. Oh my god, look! Mountains when it snows. Oh, just so pretty.
It's not reality.
Yeah, it doesn't look real. Like, it looks like a dream.
Yeah.
Finally. She was having a blast calling everyone and showing everyone. We were now in our Airbnb and it was pretty late, so we were all going to bed, and they started wishing me because it was midnight in Mauritius. And yeah, I got my first gift. It was very exciting. Yeah, I was already in the birthday mood from this point on. Okay, so now just watch how Taro is going to bump his own head against my hand. I don't actually know what happened there. And the next morning it was snowing. It was snowing on my birthday, and oh my god, it was amazing. It was beautiful.
Oh my god.
Wow, no? Wow, dal Dio.
Oh my god, so cute.
Follow.
Oh my god. Do the trees.
The trace. It's fake snow.
It's real.
Thank you.
You like it?
No? You happy? Oui, yeah. Wow, t'as un gros flocon, yes. Wow, c'est ça qui me fait envie de flocon. Oui.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Non, pas les bébés. Wow. Mà sẽ diễn ra thì gì mà? Mà sẽ diễn ra thì rất là.
Rồi đi fridge về nào nè cơ. Mà đúng vai thì ra.
We stayed there for a while, laughed a lot, had so much fun talking about things that just came to us in the moment. Took some pictures and videos for memories, and then we went in and started practicing for some reels. Initially it was supposed to be just me and my sister, but surprisingly Taru decided to join, and it was so much fun. I say surprisingly because usually he's shy when it comes to these things. It was nice to see him like that too. After a while we finally went out to have some snow fun.
Hold my breath just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel the break. I'm a lot, but I would never be a loner. To never love in all of my days. Lit in my darkest.
It's time to put the chains in there. Whoa, in there? Tires. That exactly, like I was also thinking wheel, and then I was like, no, this is the wheel. So yeah, in the tire, on the tires, around the tires.
Snowing heavily outside.
Yeah, let's go. This is the first time I am going to do that. So yeah. Also, it's my birthday. Oh way!
Happy birthday.
Thank you. You both have been saying that to me like the whole day today. Yeah. And this is not a complaint. For sure.
And it's my birthday.
Yeah. I feel like we need something on our faces to do this. It's a lot, okay? Just a little warning. You coming? You good?
Yeah.
Should I help?
No, it's okay.
You're good, okay. Good job.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. Yes! Last one. Lovely. Can you see? It's like, I feel like I'm in a dream world. Also, let me just update you really quick. Yeah, the celebration started at... Is that?
Look there.
Yeah, I can see that. It's a lorry. I think they...
Why is the lorry coming back?
Because I think it's stuck. Like, yeah.
What?
I think it's sliding. That's why. So, change of plans. Yeah, can you see? There's a police people. Oh, maybe they can see me. I don't know. They told us that it's actually closed. We wanted to go to a lake, but it's closed, and most things are closed. I was thinking that actually.
Yeah.
At home I said. Yeah. It's like crazy. How do you say that? Storm? Snow.
Yeah, snowstorm. Yeah.
Snowstorm. The scenery is just dreamy, right, Rev?
Yeah, it is.
So dreamy.
It's like in the movies.
Is there
like in the
something?
Christmas
Oh,
movies.
what?
It's like in the Christmas movies.
Yeah. But yeah, this is our first day. This is my birthday.
We decided to just drive around and look at the beautiful scenery, because I mean, look at it, it's stunning, it's breathtaking. That morning, Taru asked me what I would love to do on my birthday, and I didn't want anything fancy or crazy. I just wanted a day without plans, something that is not rushed. I didn't want my birthday to be a day where I'm rushing everywhere and just doing things, and I just wanted to be able to take it all in and just enjoy everything around me and live through everything. But one thing that I said is that I think it'd be really nice to be able to go a little up the mountain and have hot chocolate or like something warm in a cold place. I don't know why, but that just was something that just felt so nice in my head. And as we were driving around, we happened to see a cafe, and there was nothing around it. It was just white, snow everywhere, and just a cafe in the middle of it. Me and my sister got there and it was so warm, it was so cozy. They had hot chocolate, they had crepes, which was just everything I wanted, to be very honest. Tao joined us like 2 minutes later. It was just amazing, you know, like that's what I wanted, a warm moment in a cold place.
What did you get?
Hot chocolate.
Yeah. You too.
Yeah, chocolate.
I got crepe.
Yeah.
The car.
Yeah.
It's spun.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate's coming out.
I'm gonna have my crepe and Nutella.
We then realized that the storm actually got worse while we were inside, and it was crazy. I mean, look at that. Yeah. But luckily, we were not that far from our Airbnb, so we made it safely home.
Wait. Alex, make a wish.
Stressful.
Happy birthday. Happy
We ended the day with a little spark. And it was just so much fun. I mean, this was such a beautiful day, and I'm so happy. And even watching back, it brings me a lot of joy, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye.